Well, hopefully by now you know that you can schedule your service appointments online, and you can do that at Kriegers.com. If this is something you're not completely comfortable with, that's what this video is for. It's going to show you how to go about scheduling your appointment online. So let's go ahead and get started. So when you get to our website, the first thing you're going to do is go to Service and Parts and click there. And when you get the drop-down box, go to Schedule Service. And it's going to pull up this screen asking you where you'd like to schedule your service. I'm just going to click on DeWitt because that's where I am right now. And it'll pull up here, there we go. So on this screen, it's going to ask for phone number or email. Now, once you've already entered this in, it's going to be a lot easier because it's going to save all your information. When you go to search, it's just going to pull your vehicle right up and you'll be able to take care of it very quickly. First time, there's a little more information to fill in, so we'll go ahead and do that. I'll kind of create like a dummy number here. So let's see, let's go for one of those lovely 555 numbers. Okay. And we'll hit search, and of course that will not come up with anything. So this is the screen that you'll see the first time that you enter your phone number. You'll need to select what your vehicle is. So let's just say that we drive a 2017 Chevy Colorado. Let's go automatic, 4-wheel drive. 6. And then put in the closest you can with your mileage. And it's going to bring to the screen, which is going to ask you what sort of service you're wanting to have done. And I can see that right here, we're offering a maintenance package because of where the mileage is at on this vehicle. So you can select that if you want to. At this point, I'm just going to put in for an oil change. So it's a truck, so I'm going to select this option right here. And then we'll go ahead and continue. All right, and this will ask if you need a ride. So just select the right option here. And we'll just say we're going to wait at the dealership here. It tells you a little bit about options that are available here to kind of keep you busy while you're waiting for your vehicle. Okay. And then just select from the calendar a time that works well for you. Let's say the 15th at 2:30, why not? Okay. So then on this last screen here, what you're going to do, of course, is just enter in your name. You've already entered your phone number, so go ahead and enter your email in there as well. It's going to review the service that you're having done right here, give you an estimate on the total charges. Okay. And then up in here, you can decide if you want to have a reminder sent to you, text or an email. You just click on those and that'll slide that over for that choice to be selected. If you have any additional comments you need to make for us to know about, type them in there. And if you want us to call you with a concern about your appointment, go ahead and click that. It'll slide over for that option. And then all you need to do is click schedule. And after you do that, the next screen is going to confirm that your appointment has been made. So that's really all it takes to do your appointment scheduling online. Of course, you can always give us a call and schedule your appointment that way if you would prefer. But this option is available for you, and hopefully you know now how to do it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.